What's up guys, welcome to the video, and this is video my favorite type. This is the unboxing of my new Miu Miu bag. I recently came back from my Europe trip and I couldn't help myself but go shopping every other day. And I'm gonna do unboxing in review of my Miu Miu bag first. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you the perfect, the best, the comfiest shoes I've ever owned, which I also bought with this bag in the Miu Miu store. I can't believe that I actually purchased that bag because I stopped by the Miu Miu store twice or even 3 times during that trip. First one was in Rome, and then we visited Venice for 1 day. And then turns out that Venice has all the luxury stores in there, which I honestly didn't expect at all. And I tried this bag for the first time in Venice actually, but I ended up purchasing this bag in Miu Miu Rome. So this is her very simple packaging, just the dust bag and the bag itself. Since it's very simple, ivy, canvas and leather bag, there is nothing really to pack except the leather strap. So inside the bag we have another tiny dust bag which contains this strap. Well, I do love my crossbody bags. Almost every bag I own has a crossbody strap, and obviously whenever I saw this bag, I honestly was already pretty happy with the bag as it is. I can even put it on my shoulder, which is perfect, and I'm gonna show you the whole look after the unboxing. But since I discovered that it also has a leather strap, I was sold right away. The maximum length of the strap is 115 centimeters and the minimum length is 105 centimeters. It has gold tone hardware, Napa leather handle, and the same Napa leather strap. Okay, let's attach the strap right here. I swear unboxing videos are my favorite. I'm gonna show you the close-up of the logo, which is super cute. This is 100% cotton, as you can probably tell, and it just so thin, so gorgeous. But I'm gonna see how many things I can fit inside. So I bought the size mini. It comes in 3 different sizes: mini, medium and large. But all my bags mostly size mini or like less than medium. Honestly, I don't think I own even a single medium size bag, except maybe my other Miu Miu bag, which unboxing I also have on my channel. Okay, so let's try it on. And finally, my favorite part of the video, I want to test it out and see how much stuff I can actually fit inside. I want to remind you that this is size mini. There is also medium and large. but this is mini and I'm pretty sure I can fit a lot. Right now it's empty, obviously, and we're gonna start with something very important, which is card holder. We're gonna put it inside. Secondly, the phone. This is iPhone Pro, regular, not the Max. Headphones going in. Sunglasses. My home key card. And let's do my Canon camera, just in case if I want to vlog something. Okay, so that's all the essentials and it's all fit in. Okay, I'm pretty sure I still have some space for the lip gloss as well. So let's add some Kesey lip gloss in the very right corner and the mirror. This pretty big Christian Dior powder also going inside. Okay, so this is pretty tight. I obviously probably not gonna overdo it. In this case, I probably gonna take out the mirror because I don't typically use powder or the mirror when I go out. I would rather keep my Canon inside because I vlog a lot, but still, even though I put all those things inside, it's still kind of fine and you can't really see much if you're looking at it straight up like that. So, but I would definitely probably take out the mirror. And this is the perfect case scenario. My key, my card holder, my phone, headphones, sunglasses, and the camera, which is honestly quite a lot for the small mini bag. Okay, for those who stayed with me, I'm gonna unbox my leather Napa fisherman shoes as well. And honestly, it's very simple and quick unboxing, but I just wanna showcase each shoe individually because it's just a piece of art in my opinion. It is so great. It is so comfortable. I cannot comprehend. Okay, obviously each shoe comes with its separate dust bag, which is absolutely adorable. It has this gorgeous golden tone Miu Miu logo, and it's so perfect for the summer. I cannot even convince you enough how comfortable they are. I've been walking around roaming them a lot. So it's 100% genuine leather inside and out, and rubber sole, pretty much like that. Super cute, super minimalistic, and honestly, wherever Miu Miu sneakers is a trend last summer, I was looking for something like this. I was like begging in my mind Miu Miu to create something similar because I love fisherman style sandals, but I had a hard time finding those that are actually really comfortable. The color is so perfect. You know, this is the trendiest color right now. My other Miu Miu bag is actually very similar color. It would be like something between burgundy and dark brown or chocolate. I don't know exactly, but I know this is the top right now. I actually went to a Prada store and bought very similar color kitten heel shoes because I just fell in love with them immediately. I think it's okay to talk about Prada in this video because Miu Miu and Prada owned by the same company. Wherever I tried them on, it's the classic Prada kitten heel shoes, but then I didn't find the color that I actually really wanted and fell in love with. So they decided to bring me the new collection, which is gonna be released only in the fall. It's not on the shelves right now. I guess if you do ask them, they will show it to you, but you won't see it on the website. So as soon as she showed me this shoes, I was blown away. So pretty much the same color, which proves my point. This color is gonna be in the trend for a very long time with us, and it was also a suede, which is absolutely blew my mind. To be completely honest, I cannot recommend those shoes enough because the fisherman trend was with us for a little while already, and back then when they released like first maybe sandals, few brands, I was looking for something similar to this, and honestly I was so surprised that Miu Miu Prada did not create anything similar. Actually, we do know a few models in the Prada collection, the fisherman sandals on the platform, and initially I wanted to buy them during my trip in Rome, but honestly when I tried them, they are not as comfortable as I want them to be, especially the rubber version, and the leather version they didn't have in stock. So I was honestly pretty upset. That's why I bought a kitten heel instead. And I decided to go and try the Miu Miu. I didn't have very much hope, but as soon as I put them on, I realized that I'm not gonna live without them. Highly recommend. The only confusion I have with them is that why they didn't release them sooner. So since I already talked about these shoes, I decided to show them to you as well. It wasn't my initial plan, but here we are. Just look at them. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are super new. I haven't worn them even once yet. Look at this logo. I only tried them at home. I didn't wear them outside, and look at this logo. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Just look at that. Just look at that. If you ever tried the classic white or black leather version of it, you know how comfortable they are, and this color in the suede, it's just something out of this world. So I had to buy them. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing of 3 instead of 2. And if so, please hit this like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more upcoming unboxing gorgeous videos.